Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode,
I'm going to call it Loch Willie. Well, we're going to leave Handjob Island. Go and see some lovely fannies.
well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Well, Sidekick, look at this for a road.
Oh, it's amazing, isn't it?
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Just in the middle of nowhere, loads of tarmac, empty road. Oh, I have just given it a little blast down there. This is so much fun.
Rolling hills in the distance, the sun travelling over it.
Oh, it's so romantic. I mean, look at this. Let's go.
Give it the beans, boy, give it the beans.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Oh, there must be another loch down there.
Is there?
I'm going to call it Loch Willie.
Loch Willie!
Loch Willie.
Would you like to come and see my Loch Willie?
Would you like to get on my butt and travel along my willy? Very cool. Very, very cool.
Childish.
What are you talking about? I'm a fully grown adult man, boy. I just love that view. I love the mountains and the way that it just...
Look at it. Take in that vista. Look at the road ahead.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough, I try my best to look away but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch.
Well, Sidekick, look at that mountain peak.
I know, go round another corner, another lock, and look at it again. Stunning.
That is absolutely gorgeous. That is like the perfect peaked nipple in the world.
Yes, Alan.
You can imagine water flowing down there, couldn't you? And like angels at the bottom filling up water bottles to give to us when we arrive.
Yeah.
Am I the only one that every time I see something I just want to stop and take a picture?
It is, I mean, like say, look, keep saying it is, every time you come around a corner there's something else to look at, isn't there?
It is. Well, we're on the A838 if anyone's interested in actually riding this. But just, honestly, it's like this single track, just passing places and beauty everywhere. Well, Sidekick, we've kind of got to that point where we've found the dot on the map and we're now just exploring, and we've seen a naturist reserve where people go and get naked.
Yep.
And it's a loch, so naturists at a loch. So we thought we'd go and have a ganders at the naturist and see if we can see some big tits.
Yes, there'll be blue tits at the minute, I think, here.
That's quite a rare breed, isn't it?
Well, they're very common in Scotland. It is the home of the blue tits in Scotland.
Oh, there we go. Let's go look at some blue tits then, dude. It'll be interesting to see what's here, definitely.
Yeah, a bit of explore. Let's see what we can find.
So we're at a crossroads. I'll let the sidekick explain in his true Scottish accent.
Okay, so to the left we have Hunter Island and Tabart. Straight on is Funnydale and Fannigamore.
Fanny? More?
Fannigamore.
Well, that sounds quite good.
Fannigamore.
Are we going for a bit of Fanny or are we going for a bit of hand first? Which one do you want to go? Fanny, hand?
Prefer a bit of hand first.
Let's go for a bit of hand first then.
Right, okay.
Then we'll go check out the Fanny afterwards.
Okie dokie.
Look at that, dude. Seriously? It's like you're going to be riding on the water in a minute.
Look at it.
Oh, I like that. I like that, Boyle. Right, down here, 15% decline, and then it looks like we go out to the sea, baby.
Yeah, baby.
I want to see this epic side of you, sidekick. I want to see you just flooring it. Whatever it's at the end, you just keep going until you feel wet, all right?
Yeah, maybe not. We're in Tabart.
We're in where?
Tabart.
I thought we were having a hand job.
Yeah, no. Hand's an island, isn't it? You got to get the ferry to Hand.
Oh, you got to get a ferry for a hand job.
Yeah.
It's disappointing. I suppose it must be very exclusive.
You are, the ferry's shut as well.
Maybe they're full over there.
Aye, probably. Aye.
That is cool though. Look at that, dude.
Yeah.
That is quite epic. That is quite epic indeed. Oh, look. All those people on that island getting a hand job. Is that the beach where it all happens?
I think so, yeah. It's where the naturists go.
And they've closed it off because it's full. It's a shame.
Yep.
That is a shame. That is cool though. I like the look of that. Well, we're going to leave Handjob Island and we're going to go to Fanny now, right?
Fannigamore, yeah.
The Scottish version for a Fanny. We're going to go and check out that and see if that's open to play with.
Fingers crossed. Got to be careful though, because I heard the road's a bit slippery on the way in.
Okay, I'll take it dead easy. To be fair though, this is quite a cool place with no one around again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where you go to the really touristy bits where you're going to find all the people with their notepads and stuff walking around and talking, and we've just gone to Scotland to find the middle of nowhere.
Which is the reason you come, isn't it?
Absolutely, for me. This is awesome. Undiscovered gems, mate. Undiscovered gems. The problem is, we can never return after this.
No.
Because there'll be tourist hotspots.
Oh, right, okay.
All the bikers will go, this is the route that we're doing. We're going to see some lovely fannies.
So we've been for a fondle and now we're into Fannigamore.
Fannigamore. Right, this way.
It's a dead end in Fannigamore, I'm afraid.
Is it a dead end?
Aye.
Or is that just a sign for the end? The thing is, maybe when you get down here again, it's another place you never leave.
Oh, yeah.
To be fair.
Let's go and have a look.
Yeah. Why not? No overnight parking though, so obviously you're not allowed to stay for very long.
Okay, well, I don't need very long. A few seconds will do here.
What's it say?
What's the sign
No
say?
parking in turning place. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is Fannigamore. No parking in this space. No parking anywhere.
Well, there's a lot to do here.
Let's be fair to this entire thing. This is not going on my top 10 in the view. It's absolutely fantastic. But you can't stop. You're not allowed to park. You've pretty much got to just turn around and go away again. Have a look and then go quick.
That was it, yeah.
The reason why it's the best fanny in the world. You just have to have a look and then you got to leave.
Just a very quick in and out.
In and out. Now, after popping in and out very quickly into Fannymore, we need to express ourselves like true men.
ghost when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. Don't know what you really feel, but I really like this dream.
Right, so bonus, we're on our way back for the evening and we see this, and it'd be rude not to go down to the water's edge down this really dodgy path. So, ladies and gentlemen, if we fall off and die, my kids get my motorcycles, everyone else can have my t-shirts. You're standing up and you know you're going to fall off. Fucking hell. Where are you going? Down there?
There we go.
Not the boy's edge.
I don't think it's right wet.
Out of the way, boy. You alright?
Yeah.
Go back to the camera then. Well, here we are at the end of today's adventure, and what a cool place to end it and come here on the shores of Loch Willie on the monkey bike, the Himalayan and the Pegaso, also known as the pedo bike. Right here, listening to the water. You've got the sidekick lying down, almost asleep. I'm just going to go and trump on his face in a minute just to wake him up, listening to the sounds of the water. But do you know what? What an adventure and what a day. What a great place to end today's episode and roll on tomorrow's craziness. What a beautiful day.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.